Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Life with Style. How are you guys? Hope so you are all doing well in your life. So dear subscriber, warmly welcome to my channel. Here we are ready to dive headfirst into the world of hair transformation with the latest long to short haircut wig designs for the black woman especially. Whether you are looking for a bold change or just experimenting with a new look, you will not want to miss this video. So dear viewers, watch my video till end and please subscribe my channel, and if you like my video, please share it. So dear viewers, I will take you on a journey through the evaluation of the wigs from the long and very trendy, chic and short. Discover how the wig designers are pushing the boundaries and creating stunning styles that mimic real hair. So dear viewers, by this video you can see very stylish and trendy ideas of the haircut by using hair wigs. Also we will showcase a wide range of wig styles, from pixie cuts to bob wigs and everything in between. You will be amazed at the versatility and realism of these modern wig designs by my video. So reviewers, dive into the world of wig coloring and learn about the latest techniques for achieving the natural and vibrant hair colors. We will just discuss umber and different colors here in this video. So dear viewers, whether you are a wig lover or just curious about the latest trend, this video is packed with information, inspiration and jaw-dropping transformation. So dear viewers, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated with my latest video. Let's embark on this stylish journey together. So dear viewers, by using this video, you can get very amazing ideas about your beautiful hair. Wig care tips are also here. Maintaining your wig is crucial for a long-lasting natural look. We will share the different designs of the wig styles. Hear from individuals who have experienced incredible transformations with these wigs. Their stories will inspire and shows you the power of a great wig ideas by my video. So dear viewers, watch my video and enjoy it, and also comment me about my channel and my content in the form of video, because your comments are very valuable for me.